the team is focusing next game. We are just thinking about that. So we want the victory. We want to give that to the supporters. It's very important in the first way for the team, and after for the sport, of course, and for all the people that is inside the club, outside the club, around the club. It's very important for us.
Dobra ekipa da se drži na tablici u prvenstvu. Sigurno nas očekuje teška utakmica, moramo pobijediti. Što mislim da pravimo 10 boda, želimo više od Pa jesam, morali smo šta prije, zato što nas čeka već utakmica u četvrtak. Gledali smo gdje smo položili zato što je bilo i sad se spremamo za drugu utakmicu koji je iza nas.
Yes, so we have lost the game, but now we cannot do nothing about that. We are now just thinking about the future. It's the most important thing. It's today and tomorrow and after tomorrow. It's what we are thinking now. And it's about Thursday. We are just thinking about Thursday. It's very important for the team.
Govorili se razvojio bi jedino skoro da spremni ta dva gola malo najbolji, ali da nisi imali sad šansu da se nešto napravili davamo, ali su pobjedili zasluženo i 2-0 i čestito.
Mogu da staviti? Može slobodno, hvala. Krznar je rekao da su prekidi dosta jako oružje Ukrajinaca. A vi ste sad primili 2 gola iz prekida, općenito vam prekid je neka boljka.
Pa je, a najmo još 2 dana do utakmice. Trener zna, valjda ćemo to dobro vidjeti, povlačamo videa i sigurno da ćemo popraviti do utakmice.
Ima vremena?
Pa ima. 2 dana to je bilo.
For me, the problem is if we get goals in the next game. As I said, pass is pass. Of course, we have to look about that. We have to see what is not good to improve, of course. But now we are focusing Thursday, and we want to score and don't want to see goals, of course.
You know that Dinamo hasn't played in European competitions on spring for 44 years. You know that.
Yeah, that's why this year we have to say it's the main objective of the team. We spoke. I speak every day with my partners in the team, my friends. It's one objective. We want to go further in the Europa League group, and we will work for it.
Sudani will not play because he was sent off in the end. How can it reflect on the game? How important is he? You are on the same side now.
All the players are important in the game. Sudani, of course, is scoring goals almost every game, but the most important player is the one that can play. So Sudani now cannot play, so for me, for all the people, it's not important because he cannot play. We have to think in a player that can play, and those ones are the most important.
Koliko je važno za ovo momčad?
Sigurno da se pokazali s različnim igračima, sigurno nedostajati, ali mislim da svaki igrač koji se zamijeni, evo čak čeka predlog su opet, tako da to nije veliki razlog.
Ili budi glasniji ili se privuci malo više, molim.
Malo ljubav, for both of you. We heard that the executive president, Černomorecom, had some nice words for you after the game. Did that motivate you? Mislim, mogu ja i citirati ako hoću.
Ajde, možeš da zaboravim.
We are thinking about the game. Nice words, bad words, from this, from that. We have to think in the game because while we train every day, and it's the important thing. It's a game. We are focusing on.
Kako ti, Ari, komentiraš izjave gazde o nezalaganju, o bojkotiranju posla na polju?
Pa ne volim ja to komentirati. To nam tako vidi, a i ne čuvati.
Jeste gledali koju utakmicu Černomoreca? Ste vidjeli šta?
Ja sam ono što kratko malo protiv Zvezde, možda kažu da je to...
Dojam?
Dojam protiv Zvezde nisu bili neko ludjeli, ali opet dobi Kijeva i dobi to ekipe ne može slično. I biti drugi misli Šapera u ukrajinskom prvenstvu. Možda nije to, možda neće 100% šta.
Kaže Damir Krza da igraju, da su ono što je bilo na poljudu puta 3 kad igraju. Znači agresivno, drsko, trkački, besprekorno. Čete može odgovoriti?
No, da ćemo moći, ne može. Ovo je to, ovdje igramo doma pred domaćom publikom i sigurno da uz publiku i uz naš teren će da će nam biti lakše i da se nadamo da ćemo